Sendspark makes it easy to record and share personalized videos and close emails. You can just click on the Sendspark icon to launch the extension. And here you'll see the option to record a new video, add your last recording, or view your entire video library. So you can click on this and you'll see your video library appear right over Close. So everything is integrated in one spot. And here you can just select an existing video you want to use and insert it into your email. If you want to record a new video, you do that too. Just delete that one and click here on record new video. This is going to launch our extension. And here you'll see a preview of yourself, hello, as well as the option to click to record just your screen or yourself over your screen in a floating bubble if you want to do a product demo, which you could do from this page, but you could also do this from any other page using our Chrome extension up here. To record the video for Close, just select the recording type you want to use and then click on this record button. Here you'll see a countdown, record your message, hello. Thank you for checking out our Close integration. I hope this helped you connect personally at scale with your prospects and customers. Click on end, and now you see this video preview. You can give it a name, we'll call it Close Demo, and use some of these shortcuts here. So you have the template shortcut, which lets you add text or a call to action to your video. So you can go into Sendspark and select these ahead of time. And this takes you a second to set up, but saves you so much time in the future. So for example, you can set one up that, says, great to meet you, or quick intro here, and then maybe has a link to your calendar where people can schedule meetings. And then right here in this, in the integration, you can select my calendar and automatically add this text here to your video. You can also stitch this intro with another video. So let's say you're reaching out to multiple people, you just want to give them a quick personalized intro, and you want to combine this with an existing video. Click on add video, you'll see all of your videos here. And if you have these organized by demos or tutorials or core videos, you can select the one you want as a second video there. We also have some additional editing options and some trimming. Again, just to keep this super fast and simple from Close. And when you're all good to go, you'll click on insert video, and this is going to put your video into the email window. For your viewer, they're going to see the video look something like this. So they'll get their email, and then they can click either on the thumbnail or on this link to be able to launch the Sendspark video open in a new page. So it's going to look something like this, but it would have, your logo. This could be all of your brand colors, and they'll have the video play, the text from the call to action. Here you're seeing the first video, and now it goes into the second video. So it's a really fast integrated experience, hopefully going to help you, really build those personal relationships and connect more at scale. We hope you enjoy.